Tired of plumbing issues disrupting your day? Wouldn't it be great to control water flow without shutting down the entire system? Meet Bath Fitting Solutions. An angle valve that regulates water flow efficiently. It allows you to easily shut off water supply to specific fixtures for repairs or upgrades. How it works. They regulate water flow by directing it at a 90-degree angle, allowing for manual operation to stop or control flow. Plus, their compact design saves space and enhances efficiency. Leak prevention ensures a secure and reliable experience. Ease of fixture upgrades allows for quick and hassle-free improvements. Water flow regulation helps maintain optimal performance and efficiency. Space-saving design maximizes available area while minimizing clutter. What our customers say. Sounds interesting? Visit Bath Fitting Solutions.